Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Frank Can Do It. If I can do it, so can you. Today we'll be eating Korean steamed eggs. Koreans call it GyeRan Jjim. The recipe I have for you today is simple, easy, and most importantly, delicious. There are countless amazing Korean recipes out there, but the advantage of this recipe is that it's quick and easy and still tastes great. This is perfect for a last minute or add-on side dish. If you have been to a Korean restaurant, you may have tried this dish. It is usually cooked in a stone bowl. The egg's consistency is soft and silky, and it complements a bowl of rice. Today's recipe is not authentic. There's no need for a stone bowl or any complex preparation. I will show you how to make this in only 5 minutes from start to finish. The difficulty rating for today's dish is a 1 star out of 5. This is probably one of the easiest things you'll ever make. Here is a breakdown of the 5-star rating scale. The ingredients are basically eggs. Preparation is a snap. Cooking will take you 4 minutes. And the cost is probably less than $1. Alright, get ready to take a screenshot of the ingredients. All you need for this recipe is 3 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon salt, water equal to amount of eggs, an optional 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and optional chopped green onions. First, crack 3 eggs into the measuring cup. Three large eggs measure approximately 2/3 cup. Fill the measuring cup with water as the same measurement of the eggs. In this case, that will be 2/3 cup. Break apart the yolk with a fork and mix the eggs in a circular motion. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. While mixing, add the water. Mix very well until there's no clumps and the consistency is very even. If you like, you can add a little chopped green onions for taste. Next, microwave the eggs for 4 minutes. And that's it. The great thing about GyeRan Jjim is you can eat it any way you like. Some people like to just eat it with salt and pepper. Since it's so inexpensive and easy to make, you can add ingredients like tiny pieces of ham or jalapenos. If your GyeRan Jjim is too firm, simply add a little bit more water or decrease the time by 15 seconds. If your GyeRan Jjim is too watery, decrease the amount of water and increase the time by 15 seconds. The reason why this may vary is some microwave ovens have different power output. It's important that you serve this hot, and it goes great with a bowl of rice. Today's Korean word of the day is 뜨겁다, which is the informal way of saying it's hot. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more simple, easy, delicious dishes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.